that the Lord will give to us. So, be strong and be encouraged. You are not alone. uNkulunkulu okuthwele kulo nyaka wazongena nawe kulo nyaka. UsenguNkulunkulu ozophinda mena aphinda ahambe nawe kulo nyaka. Abesethu umhlabelelo uyema nathi. Malithi iBhayibheli uyema nathi. Kusho ukuthi nasempini kodwa uyema nathi. That's why ethi lo mhlabelelo babenqoba nasempini. Yebo impini obikhona kodwa ayisinqoba impi kodwa thina siyayinqoba impi. Ngoba kunalo esihamba nayo. Into engimthanda ngawuJehova akanandaba nokuthi iimuthi zokuthi wena uzizwa kanjani zivakala kanjani. Akanandaba nokuthi uzizwa unamandla nokuzizwa ungenamandla. As long as umethemba njengoba ehamba nawe, then he give you the strength, he give you the courage, he charge your spiritual capacity, he strengthens your spirit, he takes you up, he lifts you, he makes sure ukuthi you don't lose the knowledge that you have about him. Do amandla kungenzeka abe no on and off. Sometimes you do this and that. Mhlambe ube on and off, but he remained the same. He's the same yesterday. He's the same today. He's the same tomorrow. He will be the same forever. Akashinji. UnguJehova othi ngiyazi ukuba yini inhloso yami yokuthi ngikuthathile ku2025 ngazokubeka ku2026. Manje wena okwakho ukuthi ngakuye ungamathele kuye. Uthi baba ngingamathela kuwe deyama ngawe nakwinqinamba zonke engingaze ngihlangane nazo ngoba ngiyazi impilo esiphilayo inamahlanga enyuka. Noba singena kulonyaka uSathana kajabulile kodwa ngiyazi uma nginawe akukho lutho okuzongenza lutho. Besethu umbhale uJehova engakithi ngubani ongasichasa? Akekho uJehova emengakithi akekho kwazi ukuchasa, akekho kwazi ukusichasa ngoba siphansi kweshelter, sifihleni ngoko phansi kwesandla kuyanakekelwa, phansi kwesandla kuyafihlwana, phansi kwesandla kuyagcwaliswana ngamandla, phansi kwesandla. Take courage, you are not alone. As you begin to travel in this journey of this year 2026, you are not alone. God is with you. He will strengthen you, he will provide you, he will make sure that he doesn't let you down. He cannot disappoint you. Jonga mamela izinto odibene nazo ku2025 angeke udibane nazo ku2026. Ama seasons awafani, enye dimension le, olinye igagasi. Singena komnye umhlaba la siyohamba khona go highest and highest degree in work, in strength, in growth, in upgrading, in victory, and also in glory. Kelebrushka and Isobrahidas, as sons of God, there is an upgrading that God has done in order for the sons of God to manifest about the name Jesus more than before. But God will begin this with signs and wonders. Those that who trust in the Lord, they shall be renewed in their strength. They will mount up like eagles. Lalela. God is a spirit. He dwells among us. He lifts us. He makes sure during the times of our question marks, he gives the answers. Laba bahlekile bebehleke kokugcina ku2025 ungasakhathazeki ngabo. No more think about the past. Focus on the present. What God is doing now. Focus on what God is doing now. Ipains ozwile ziyeke kanjalo uyozigcina somewhere Usigcinele ukuthi the moment uNkulunkulu ekuthatha ubona nawe physically, ubona sekuphakamisile wakubeka. Abantu mabekubuka beqalaza bethi kwenze njani, sambona sela uthi it's not by magic, kunoNkulunkulu ongithwele. Ngahlala nganyamezela, bekungemnandanga, bekunzima, wangithwala uba ukunjalo. Manje ke ngidla umvuzo wokunyamezela, kuba ngathi kukhulunywa nje inkanekwana mase kukhulunywa njalo, because uma ungekaboni ngamehlo, it's just not that much easier to acknowledge the tastes of the delicious. But be strong. That's what the Lord says. Be strong, because I am with you. The word that you must carry now is the word that says, anywhere I go, I am not alone. When I prosper, I am not alone. When the devil tries to stand against my way, I am not alone. When the devil worship tries to push you back, something that will come out from the bottom of your heart, it will say, I am not alone. You are not alone. You are not alone. Under any circumstances, you are not alone. Under any desperations, you are not alone. Under any problems, you are not alone. As you begin this journey of victorious, God is going to upgrade a new standard, a level of standard that will raise the enemies. Mento likabe, azubre entaliko, as they will see you going up by the help of God. They will rise. They will try to come against you. Do not be afraid. You are not alone. The Lord, the shelter, is with you. Is katabai tavatele sona. Sipelile. Is katse nyembes. Sipelile. Is katsok stigumazega. Sipelile. New beginnings has come. New view has appeared. New standard has developed in the name of Yeshua the Christ. Today, I want you to know something. When God is with you, Satan can try to fight you, but do not fight him back. But your Father will fight for you. He will stand on your behalf. When you see the challenges arise, you go down to knees. You just talk to your Father. The Father who sees in secret, he will reward you in public, because you are not alone. This battle is not yours. There is a spiritual battle that is busy operating in the spirit realms. Our spiritual warfare is not in the realms, but it's in the spirit. But let me tell you something. Kenkathi uNkulunkulu ekuphakamisa kuyonyakaza, kuyoba khona abantu abakhuluma izinto size zizofika kuwe. Do not answer for yourself. Kuyoba khona abakuzondayo bazobanquma ungakubulisi. Do not answer for yourself. Let them talk when they talk. Let them gossip when they gossip. Let them decide when they decide. Let them try when they try to stand against you. But do not do anything. Just go to your Father. Express the love you have to your Father.
just explain how much do you love him. The moment you divide the time for your father, then you encounter with him. When you grow your encounter with your father, then God sees that you are not after what you are in desperate of, but you are always taking care of your love with him, your connection with him, your relationship with him. So because growing up in the sonship, you must not be separated from your father, because you need the love of your father, you need the advices of your father, you need the strategies of your father. Ungahambi kulonyaka ungamuzwa moyingcwele, mawuzwa ngathi amuzwa ume kancane.
Uthi baba ukiphi? Umqalazi. Ungahambi ungamuzwa. Ungahambi ungamuzwa. Usathane uyokhohlakala kakhulu kulonyaka ka2026. Kunenye revelation uNkulunkulu ayikhulumile ngami kalonyaka ka2026. Ngizoyirelease on Sunday.